So it's currently 1:45 a.m. I've been working on this. Oh, hold on. Let me plug in my phone before I forget to do that. Okay. So let me show you what I've learned. Let me see if that is the correct dog.smd. So let me recreate this because I'm gonna need to anyway because it's fucking broken. So if I get rid of this, that goes back in that collection. And then what I'm gonna do is import hopefully what is correct. That should be correct. Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. So what I've learned is that it doesn't matter if it's parented the fucking skeleton, like whatsoever. This doesn't matter at all. What you have to do is delete the armature completely, and then what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go to oh yeah, select the skeleton, and then go to pose mode. I'm gonna click on this bone right here, and I learned this bone right here because in the original one, that's the one that it's like attached to. And I'm gonna take this bone and I'm gonna shift click that, and I'm gonna press Control P, which is like the parenting, and then so you have with automatic weights, right? And that's what I did last time. So now we have a fully new armature. If I go into here, I have my model, I have my armature, and I have like a fully new, just created armature, right? And like, I'm close to tears at just getting this close, because it took like fucking 8 hours of fucking around with this, fucking around with Blender, just to figure this out. And then I have my file that I just fucking exported right here. I go stick this in here just because that's my default folder, and then crowbar.exe, and then I'm gonna compile that. And then so now what happens when I go ahead and load this model is it works. It moves with a hand. It fucking moves. Look at that. It moves with a hand. It does it. It fucking does it. And obviously the model is all kinds of fucked up, and I have no clue how that happens. But it's okay. Not a big deal. I'll figure out how to fix that, and it'll probably not be as hard. I shouldn't speak too soon. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that armature again. Get rid of that. And now if I just take this skeleton, take this bone, I'm going to shift click that, control parent, and instead I'm just going to try regular armature deform. I'm not going to do automatic weights because I think the weights are probably fucking it up. So let's see. I have a feeling this isn't going to work. I have a feeling it's going to do the exact same thing with zero difference whatsoever. I just have some kind of weird, odd feeling that it's going to do the exact same fucking thing. But that's a shot in the dark. I have no fucking clue. Compile. Okay, compiled. Open viewer. File. Load model. It did the exact same. Wow, I am just a fucking genius at this point. And I think it's because it's like only parenting to that little edge of the hot dog instead of the fucking middle. But if I do it to the middle, then how am I going to get the other ends to not fuck up? That's what I need to figure out. So is there, like, which one is it parenting to first? Well, it fucking says all of them. What does that mean? Are these not all, like, one thing? How do I make these all one thing? Make single user? Nope, go back on that. 2, 3, make local? Nope, go back on that. 1, 2, 3, take all of these. And we're gonna, oh, can I shade flat, shade? No, I don't need to shade. Set origin, copy, mirror, snap parent, insert, move to the selection. If I duplicate that object, and I think it's just because I'm using a shitty model, because obviously the fucking CS, the default CS knife isn't like that. So maybe if I mess with the OBJ, that'll fix it. But then I'm gonna have to completely redo the positioning, which kind of sucks, but at least I know somewhat of what I'm doing now. So if I import source, no, import a OBJ, and then we're gonna go to desktop, and then CSS modeling dog.obj, import wavefront. So we have the model here, and then we go, there's 3 different materials for some fucking reason that makes no sense to me. Can I turn it all into one? Make local, make single, no. It's the same fucking problem. Take all of these, and then we, so if I delete those, that's just the material. That's all that is. But there's 3 different things. So how do I make them all into one thing? I just want them all to be one thing. I want them all to just become one. How do I do that? Because if I export it as an object, it's still going to be the same fucking problem. What the fuck? I mean, it's like showing that it's one model. I'm not like, oh no, it's still showing that there's like 3 different things. Wait, what if can I move them individually? Like if I select this, it all is the exact same. So then how do I make them all into one? New. Active material index of active material slot. So getting rid of those does fuck all, right? Oh my fucking god. What happens if I export it as an object onto my desktop, and then I get rid of it, and I'm gonna re-import it as an object again. OBJ brings back everything that I just deleted. Make unlink, do anything. Really, just do fucking anything. Deleting that just gets rid of the entire fucking model. So it should be something to do with this. Make local, make single user, not yet implemented. What does that mean? Outer item activate deselect all equals true. What the fuck? What is not yet implemented? What are you talking about? Is it implemented now? How do I turn this into just one? Oh my fucking god. Deletes. Wait a minute. I might be onto something. Hold on. Okay, now if I delete that. Oh, well, it still fucking does the exact same thing. Make single user. Make local. Make remap users. Add fake use. New collection. Paste data blocks. Library override. Make view. Area. What? What, dude? Because I guarantee 100% if I fucking... No. That is not an SMD. Stop. Untitled OBJ. What the fuck? Delete all of that. Okay, back to Blender. File. Export as OBJ. Okay. And then if I import as OBJ, doc.obj. No. Why is it called T-Knife? What? Where did that come from? I didn't. Oh, I know why. Okay, that was stupid of me. Import OBJ desktop untitled import. Wait a minute. Okay, this might be workable with. So now if I take this and I export as an SMD, dog005.smd, okay, this might be the file that I need. This may be my saving grace here. I did not think that would work. I didn't think it would be that fucking easy, and it's probably not, but we'll see. So now if I import source engine dog005.smd modifiers, just get rid of the armature instantly, don't need that at all. And now I'm going to, what I'm gonna do is just get rid of this completely. I'm just gonna get rid of fucking everything here. None of that matters at all. Hopefully I didn't just completely fuck myself, but we'll see. I have backups somewhere. Okay. And now what I'm gonna do is import a default. Actually, I'm gonna have to completely redo that because I fucked this up. So just get rid of that completely, and then get rid of that folder completely. Fuck that folder. And then we go to CSS modeling, GCFscape. Okay, file, open, and then this shit, models, weapons. And we're gonna find the knife wherever it is. Where is it? There it is. I don't know how I missed that multiple times, but it's okay. I don't know if I actually need all of them or not, but I'm gonna do it anyway just so I don't fuck something up. Okay. Back to Crowbar, we're going to decompile, and we're going to go /reference to decomPiled, and then we're going to decompile it. Okay, done. And then we have the decompiled, and then we take all of these. We can get rid of them now. Or, dude, I had the fucking compiled version right there. I didn't need to go back into fucking GCFscape or whatever. It's fine. Because I have this now, which is the file that I need. So now if I go to import SMD, and then I go to reference, and then I go to decompiled knife reference, import that. Now we have the vanilla knife reference, and I can take this and I can move it to where it needs to go, finally. Okay, over. Okay. Nope, that's the wrong axis. Rotate. Move down a little bit. Right about there. It's rotated incorrectly. Need to get it like perfect. That looks pretty good. And then just move it up a little bit. Back to scale. Need to change camera angle. Scale it to be longer. And then a little bit. Forgot it does that. A little bit wider as well. Looking from it. Yeah, it's perfectly circular, almost. It's good enough for me. And then we're gonna move it down into it a little bit more. And then move it upwards. Looking at it from the top down, we can go a little bit more right. A little bit more left. Okay, should be good like that. It's pretty close. Okay, and then we delete this and we just keep the skeleton. All we want is the skeleton. And then we're gonna rename this because I don't know why it's named like that, but whatever. I don't know why it does that. Delete that as well. Okay. So this should be an SMD, which I believe it is. So if I rename this to knife T reference, rename this model, rename knife T reference. Okay. I don't know why it's 11, but it doesn't matter too much. Let me see. Let me move it a little bit more right, like right there. So it's like in the middle. A little bit more down. Might as well just get it in the middle. Okay. Let's see how that goes. So now if I take into pose mode, select that bone, select T-knife reference, Control P, armature deform. Okay, that looks good. Looks correct. So now, scene, export, scene file. Okay. We have this, we go to here, we go to new folder 2, replace. Gonna go to crowbar to exe, compile, view, open viewer, file, load model. Please, move with the hand. It moves with the hand. It's correct. It is correct. It is correct and it is straight. It is not fucked. I just need to figure out how to somehow position it because it's incorrect for whatever reason. I don't know why. It might be parented to the wrong bone or something. But what I'm going to do is just delete that, get rid of the skeleton, and then I'm going to re-import it. Source engine. No, we're going to go desktop. CSS modeling, new folder 2, knife T reference, import. It makes 0 sense that it's like not in the right spot. Because if I take a look at this, right? Material, one, modifiers, armature, vertex groups. How do I like look at the fucking position? That's all I want to do. Fucking really? Stop. How do I look at the position? I don't understand Blender at all. I fucking hate it. Delete this. Okay, that's what I wanted to see. And there might be like something that's like locked or something that's not letting it do it right. Bind to vertex groups. Bind vertex groups to armature modifier. Yes, I think I need that. Because if I uncheck that and then I export, take this CSS modeling into a new folder to replace. I'm gonna recompile, view, open viewer, okay, yeah, it's in the exact same spot. I mean, obviously I don't know what the fuck I expected, but holy shit. When did that happen? Okay. Why is it in a bad position? Maybe if I take this skeleton, I'm gonna delete the armature again. Nope. Did it just delete it? Okay, I guess it just deleted it, even though I don't think I might have clicked delete, whatever. Reference skeleton. Okay, so maybe it's not parented to that one. Maybe it's, it would make some slight amount of sense if it was that one. So let me try this. If I shift select, control parent, armature deform. And then now it has the armature, correct. Okay, scene, export, exported, CSS modeling, new folder to replace, back to crowbar, compile, view, open viewer, file, load model. Nope, same exact spot. Or that might actually be slightly different, but I don't know, it doesn't matter regardless. Because the name of this is weapon handle, V_weapon knife handle. So it makes sense that it would fit in the hand if I parent this, but it doesn't. It just does the exact same thing regardless of how I do it. Knife T reference. Why is it still parented to that? That doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but whatever. Take this bone, this specific bone. Wait, let me go back to this. And then, what did I change that one time? That like fucked it? I don't know. Let me try, take this, Control P with, no, what am I doing? Take this, what am I doing? Take this, and then we should not be in object mode. We should click on the bones, pose mode, shift click, control P with automatic weights. I don't know if that's how that works or not, because I think I have an idea of why that's being like that, but I'm not sure. Okay, try this. It's not going to be any fucking different for whatever reason, and I think I'm giving up after this as well, but progress. I'm making progress. View, open viewer, file, load model. Wow, that is interesting. So it's in like the correct position, but it fucking twisted it again for some reason. I don't know what that's about. Why does it twist it? So if I... What the fuck? Delete that. And then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna click this bone. We're gonna control... No, we're gonna shift click that. We're gonna unselect gravity maybe? Control parent. With automatic weights. Okay, now gravity is off. Maybe that'll make a difference for some reason. Interesting. No fucking clue why it does that. It's really annoying, but physics bones. V-knife handle. V-knife handle. Highlight bone. It's right there. So why the fuck is it all the way over there? That makes no fucking sense, dude. Oh my god. Why? Why do you do this? Holy shit, dude. Please. Just sit up straight. That's the only fucking thing I need to fix, and of course it just doesn't fucking want to work. For what reason are you bending? It makes no sense. I'm just gonna have to fucking figure it out tomorrow. Dude, I'm done, dude. I'm done. One more time, I'm gonna import the original SMD from the decompiled, and I'm gonna take a look at that armature. So, I mean, yeah, it's got a fucking material. It's, don't really understand. Wrist helper? I don't know. What the fuck? Let me export in. Okay, that just fucking crashed my Blender. Nice, dude. Interesting. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna rename it to, or actually I'm gonna fucking put it back in here, and then I'm gonna copy it and paste it, and then we're gonna rename this to sort of working.smd, and then this is dog shit. I don't need that. Put that next to that. Blender just completely shit itself trying to compile the exact same thing that I've compiled about 200 to 300 times now. So yeah, I'm fucking giving up. Okay.